Hey guys, today is exciting because we are going to go over a tool called Abacus AI, and basically it's taking all the top video AI engines out there under one umbrella so you don't have to go around and search what's going to help you out on your projects in the future. And if you work in a creative position at your job, this video is going to blow the socks off your team members. So imagine there's all these AI tools that are floating around in the world, right? But you have one tool that's gonna catch them all and put them right in front of you. That's what Abacus is. So today we're gonna go over how Abacus can help me in a couple of projects that I've been working on. And we're gonna do all this inside of Abacus, and it's all for the most part very, very affordable. I think I'm spending like $10 per month for Abacus to bring all these video generation tools to fit my certain needs. So this is what we're going to create. We're going to create this semi-truck driving down Pacific Coast Highway. And this is the second one. This is the Louisiana State Trooper Carl eavesdropping on a couple of other state troopers, and it's this inciting moment that thrusts the story forward when he's overhearing the troopers discussing a wrongful death suit that took place a year before. So let's figure out how I did this. All right, so we're going to start right here in Abacus AI. Go ahead and click the link below to get you to this page. And we are going to be running on Claude 4 Sonnet. And I need to mention also we're going to be using Chat, LLM, and Deep Agent. We're going to use them both, you'll understand. Let's get started here. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click More, and then right here, you're going to see Video Gen. Click that. All right, right away, you're going to see this window, and then this is where it gets really cool. So you click this, and you're going to see all these options. So what this is doing is it's scraping the internet and utilizing all these top video AI generation tools, all the way from Cdance Pro to 2.2 to the gold standard, which is VO3, and so forth. It's really cool. We're going to start off with Cdance Pro for the version of the hydrogen-powered truck driving down PCH. So again, this is cool because it's not like you get one model and hey, good luck, let's see how it works. This is taking all the models, and first of all, it's hard to find some of these models. Like, people don't even know how to find VO3 because it's not necessarily easily accessible on Google. So this is making all these video options accessible under one umbrella. So what's important is if you have a starting frame, which I do, which is this cool hydrogen truck, right? So we're gonna drag and drop that right here. Boop. So it's dropped in, and let's go ahead and start from scratch. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy my prompt in, which is create a video of this 18-wheeler semi-truck driving down the Pacific Coast Highway. The shot will be taken from a drone as maybe I should take out cruise, don't want to confuse AI, as they drive up the coast at 45 miles per hour. Okay, we also have more options. So we want it widescreen, so that's 16:9. We can change the resolution, so let's go ahead and do 1080. Let's see, duration, let's just keep it simple at 5 seconds. Now, there's also a button here that says modify the input prompt for improved video generation results. Now normally I keep this off, but I definitely want to see how creative the AI can get me. I hate getting surprises. Sometimes, you know, they'll be like, the truck will like drive off the coast, some strange stuff like that. I hate surprises. Go ahead and let's click generate and let's see what happens. Okay, and while we're waiting for that hydrogen truck to render, if you feel like this video is bringing you any value whatsoever, go ahead and click the like button. It helps us to grow on YouTube. And if you want to watch more videos like this in the future, then go ahead and click subscribe. It helps us also to grow. We love sharing this information with our content creators, especially those who want to use AI to help out with their productivity and to increase their creativity. You'll be amazed what AI can do for you and your team. All right, well, there it is. Now, as you can see, we have it built what it was asked to do. With a few exceptions. I said up the coast. So if you're driving up the coast of California, everybody should know that the coast should be on your left-hand side. As you see, it is on the right-hand side of the driver. PCH does not have any 3-lane highways anywhere up the coast on PCH, on Highway 1, right? And other than that, it looks pretty clean. Let's play it. Here we go. That's cool. Smooth little transition. And yeah, we get the reflections in the cab right there, and the window. So you notice the detail. You can see the clouds and the reflection. That's pretty tight. I mean, to the standard person, it probably wouldn't, they probably wouldn't be annoyed. But if you're from California, that's doesn't look like California. So you can see why the prompts are so important. You can go back in there and recreate it. Again, this is powered by Claude Sonnet 4 and in Cdance Pro. So it's pretty good. So, but you also notice that there is no sound. So that's where the sound comes in next. So how do you put the sound in? That's where Deep Agent comes in, right there. So we have two options here: add music to this video or generate longer videos. So we're going to go ahead and add music to this video. Okay, so look, it already created for you the prompt in Deep Agent. Again, this is what makes Abacus really cool, is it's doing the work for you, and it's fairly simple. There's not a lot of thought that goes into this other than a really short and cool tutorial, which you're watching right now. Evaluating. Before I add music, I need to clarify a few things. What type of music would you like? Upbeat, dramatic, instrumental, specific genre? So let's just do this. Let's copy and paste this, go down here and say, let's just make it simple and say upbeat. Should the music match the mood, content of the video? Yes. Do you want the music to play through the entire video or just certain parts? Entire video. Okay. Thinking. All right. It is done. It has generated the music here. And we are on a really cool looking screen. So let's see what it does. But for some reason, it shorted the video to 4 seconds. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get out of this. Let's go back to Chat LM. Again, you have all these options here, right? Okay, so we're basically going to take this image right here. Now, this is part of a documentary that I'm working on.
Initially, one of the initial detectives on scene to investigate the Ronald Green incident, I overheard him speaking at the New Orleans Convention Center COVID detail. So the detective.
Okay, so as we heard right there, he's at the New Orleans Convention Center. He's eavesdropping on these two state troopers in the back. Now, originally I did what's called parallaxing, and I had one image in front moving with one image in the back, as you see right here. It's called parallaxing. And I actually am thinking I want to go through the documentary and replace all these parallaxing shots with video. Okay, so let's go back to Claude 4 and let's try something else. Let's see, why don't we try creating something from scratch? Let's see what Cdance Pro does. Back to Claude 4, and this time we're just going to add a photo of Carl Cavalier. All right, let's add a picture, and let's see how well it does. Again, location, a crowded convention center hall. In the foreground, young black male, Louisiana State Trooper. Silent, lips do not move. Again, I don't want his lips to move, so he sounds like he's talking to himself. Okay, add people move in the background, okay? Modify the input, yep. Aspect, yep. Keep the camera fixed, yes. Okay, just generate that and let's see what happens this time. Okay, it's done. Hey, look at that. That looks pretty cool. All right, got people in the background, Convention Center Hall. Here's the two troopers talking, and hey, that's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. And this is Sea Dance. Of course, you can add music to it or generate a longer video. We have that option. It's good. I'm going to give this a thumbs up so it will learn what I like. Additional feedback. None. I don't know. And so now we're ready to download it. Let's open up the project. Here we are. Okay, so now we're going to go back to where call first here's about the case.
Found out about it until 2020, overhearing a detective who was initially one of the initial detectives on scene.
Okay.
One of the initial detectives on scene.
Dude, I'm pretty excited about this.
Incident.
I mean, that's what it was, and this is what it is. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. If you like these videos, go ahead and click subscribe so you will get alerted the next time that I post something that's AI created, that'll help content creators excel in the AI world out there and make your life a lot easier. And as always, I got two videos for you. This one right here is going to tell you how Notebook LM is going to make your life easier. And this one right here, the YouTube algorithm has selected just for you. We'll see you in the next video.